Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am saving in my holiday binder with $50 in prop money. So I'm going to get started. Don't really remember where we stopped at, so we're just going to start at the beginning. So this is for birthdays. We finished one side, so we're finishing this side. And this is created by Snow Garner 307. And we're going to try to finish this side anyway. So let's do $10. Yeah, let's try to do, let's do 10. 5, 10. And that gets me up to 110, 15, 20. So 120 so far. I take that. Do I have an IOU in here? Or no? Okay, don't look like it. Okay. Whew. All right, next is Black Friday. This is created by Budgeting by Dina US, and this is two-sided. So this is 75 and this is 45. And I think we did we did this 45 side last time. So let's do this side. Let's see. 1. So let's go up here. Woo! 14. That's expected because it is 75. But jeez. Let's see. This might be a quick video. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. And then we'll work on this side next time. Next is Christmas, created by Cajangirlcreates. And I'm on this page. Mr. Santa himself. This page is $78. And let's see. 3. 1, 2, 3. That is an 8. I want to do 2. Ooh, should I do 2? Yeah, let's do 2. 1, 2. Ooh, a 4. So $12. I'm just hitting them big today. So $12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, Lordy. We getting down to the wire. All right, next we got is New Year. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budget. Says 50. Let's see. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 9. Do I got $9? Oh dear. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, got $5 left. And we on to Valentine's. Valentine's. I'm so scared. I'm not even gonna do it. Nope, I'm not gonna do it. So next time we will start on Valentine's Day. And I'm going to put this $5 into birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's perfect because I do have a birthday coming up. So let's get birthday back up and do another $5. Perfect. Quick and easy. All right, let's see where we at with this now. 110, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Perfect. All right, gems, that was quick, fast. That was $50 put into the holiday binder. Just a little something to get us started. All right, gems, thank you so much for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.